This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Mary Ruffin. Beautiful home in popular Wilderness Cove neighborhood. This home features a large living area with vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace. Formal dining with luxury laminate wood flooring. A desirable split floor plan with ceramic tile in entry, kitchen, and baths. Spacious kitchen with lots of cabinets and storage space, under cabinet lighting, granite countertops, walk-in pantry and stainless appliances. 3 spacious bedrooms plus bonus room off the master that could serve as an office, workout room, craft room, extra guest quarters, or many other options. Master includes an oversized closet, double sink vanity, stand-alone shower and jetted spa tub. Surround sound in living area and outside. Fully fenced backyard with covered patio and storage shed. A wonderful home both inside and out for entertaining guests and family. Don't wait to make this exceptional home yours. For more information,